That's what happens when you take 6 months worth of protein.
1 week worth of protein.
To Fiji.
Just
Are you serious?
We're on vacation, we're not going protein deficient. Come on now.
Okay.
You can have some too.
Why? Thank you. You're so sweet.
Not that much though, because I need that.
Got it.
Bula bula! Fiji, here we come.
Yeah, we're on our way to meet up with my family from down under. We've got 2 birthdays to celebrate, lots of food to eat, island culture to experience, and we've packed plenty of bikinis and board shorts to get out in the sun and work on our tans.
It sounds like a vacation in paradise. Unfortunately, Mother Nature has something entirely different in mind. Who are you looking forward to seeing the most?
Can't ask me that, dude.
I'm Mike.
And I'm Tenille. And ever since I was a little girl, I've wanted to travel to every corner of the world.
Yeah, and now that we're engaged, I get to be a part of every adventure. So the only question is...
Where to next, honey?
We just touched down in Fiji, and now we're on our way to meet up with Tenille's family.
My niece and nephew don't even know we're coming on this trip, so we're working out the strategy on how we're going to surprise them. We'll make our way in. Scare the hell out of them. Can we join the holiday?
Yeah.
Yes. Can we join in?
We're not going to be a seat for one of these.
It's great to see everyone, and the plan worked. We got the reaction we wanted.
It turns out there's no time to rest, not even time to check in. The kids have demands that must be met.
Nothing like a little water aerobic dancing to shake off some jet lag. Plus, I get to show off my classic Emma dance move.
Very funny. It's pretty clear that I'm the one in this relationship with the good dance moves. You, on the other hand, can just stick to what you're good at.
Take your advice and play a little football, where Allegra nearly bats down my pass to James here. And then I'll move on to another thing I love doing, eating
that is
protein.
So heavy. Look at the size of that. It's like the size of your head.
That looks great right now.
Getting a good shot?
Great shot.
What's the backyard view look like?
I ended my video.
Ooh, we're in the jungle here. Now there's dinosaurs on this property, is that correct?
We've finally checked in, but there's still plenty more of the day to enjoy.
Nice.
All right, here he comes. Madman.
Yeah. Whoa. Cocky immediately. Maybe the cockiness is warranted because I'm actually really impressed with Tenille's paddleboarding skills. But now it's time to wind down and relax for the night.
Again. Thumbs up again.
That's what I do.
Gotcha. We're at the water park today with the kids, I swear. It's not just us.
Yeah, but it's mainly for me.
It's mainly for him.
Are you gonna do anything?
I'm gonna go down some massive water slides and try not to get injured.
All right, you ready, Tenille?
Ready? Right here. 3, 5.
The Hulkamania one. Here we go. See you at the bottom? All right, ready, set, go.
Oh, hello, Princess Allegra. Do you up, hey?
It's a good battle. It's a good battle. Tenille's on the ropes.
All right, that's enough. I clearly let her win. Didn't want to hurt my sister. Now let's go act civilized and enjoy some high tea. Thank you very much. Go on. Cheers. You don't eat the straw.
I really tried to make it work, but guys, where was all the protein during high tea? I couldn't find any, so I've made my way over to the Indian buffet where there is plenty.
I don't know what this is.
It says it right there. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is either. That's a little creepy, James. Have you tried garlic naan?
No.
You're gonna want it.
Give me a slice.
You're gonna want some of that.
Gonna take a break from the buffet and the kids.
Ditching the fam.
Whoa.
Just woke up.
Whoa. Late night?
Sounds like I didn't do what, 8 o'clock, late night?
Yeah.
Oh, we're ditching the fam and we're going to the adults only beach club for the day so we can have breakfast on the water and check out the pool
Yeah.
and even have like a little cocktail hour later maybe.
I think it's gonna be pretty nice.
So good. Not too shabby.
What about that one?
That way is beautiful too. Ow. Nice. Rough day, hey?
I gotta wake back up. It's been a very relaxing morning at the beach club, but I gotta be honest, I miss those two little rascals.
No, we're not laughing at you.
Allegra the tickle monster.
Yeah, I guess I brought that on myself. But anyway, I'm excited for tonight.
Yeah, tonight is a very special night. It's my mum's 70th birthday, and we've planned this surprise birthday on the beach. The best part of it all is that we pretended we had absolutely no plans at all, and she thinks we forgot about her.
Oh, it's so perfect. Why did you oh, even I want to take a photo in here. It reminds me of my engagement.
I look this way and I've got the perfect family, and I look that way and I've got the perfect ocean.
We can't have pasta again.
I know.
Happy birthday, dear Joyce. Happy birthday to you. Happy long life, dear Joyce. Happy long life to you. Yeah.
Everything we've planned so far has turned out perfectly.
Unfortunately, Mother Nature is a big bad you-know-what, and she doesn't give a damn what our plans are. We got a hurricane coming.
It's true. We
But,
do.
you
So
know
we
what?
decided to sit on a hammock on the
Yeah,
beach.
well, that's what they say. No hurry, no worry. That's the Fijian way.
I don't think that was Fiji. Anyway,
It is now.
the hurricane is coming today and tomorrow. And we're on an island. So
Should be
wish
fun.
us luck.